Welcome, everyone, to this introductory lecture on Python programming. Today, we will embark on a journey into the world of Python, one of the most versatile and powerful programming languages available today. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer looking to expand your skill set, this lecture will provide you with a solid foundation in Python. So, let's dive right in. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and vast array of applications. Developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s, Python has gained immense popularity and has become a go-to language for various domains such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Why choose Python? Python offers numerous advantages, including its easy-to-understand syntax, extensive standard library, and a large and active community. Its versatility allows you to develop anything from simple scripts to complex applications, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Python versions. Python has two major versions, Python 2 and Python 3. In this lecture, we will focus on Python 3 since Python 2 has reached its end of life and is no longer actively supported. Setting up Python. To get started with Python, you need to install the Python interpreter on your computer. You can download the latest version from the official Python website, python.org, and follow the installation instructions based on your operating system. Hello, world. Let's begin our Python journey with a classic tradition, writing a Hello, world program. This simple program will introduce you to the basic structure of a Python program and how to execute it. Variables and data types. Python provides a variety of data types, such as integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and more. We'll explore these data types and learn how to declare variables to store and manipulate data. Operators and expressions. Operators in Python allow you to perform various operations, including arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical operations. We'll cover the different types of operators and how to use them effectively. Control flow statements. Control flow statements, such as if-else, for loops, and while loops, enable you to control the execution flow of your program. We'll delve into these statements and understand how to make decisions and repeat actions based on specific conditions. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. We'll learn how to define functions, pass arguments, and return values. Additionally, we'll explore the concept of built-in functions and how to create our own. Modules and packages. Python's module system allows you to organize your code into reusable and maintainable units. We'll discuss modules, packages, and how to import them into your programs to enhance functionality. Exception handling. Errors are inevitable in programming, but Python provides a robust mechanism for handling exceptions. We'll learn how to catch and handle exceptions gracefully, ensuring that our programs don't crash unexpectedly. File handling. Working with files is a common requirement in many applications. We'll explore how to read from and write to files, handle different file formats, and effectively manage file-related operations in Python. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Python supports object-oriented programming, a powerful paradigm for structuring code. We'll dive into the principles of OOP, including classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation, to help you write modular and reusable code. Introduction to libraries and frameworks. Python offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks that extend its capabilities. We'll introduce you to some popular libraries for data analysis, e.g., NumPy, Pandas, and web development, e.g., Django, Flask, enabling you to leverage existing tools and accelerate your development process. Congratulations! You have now gained a solid understanding of Python programming fundamentals. Remember, this lecture is just the beginning of your journey. Practice, explore, and build upon the concepts we've covered to unlock Python's full potential. Python's versatility and extensive community support make it an excellent choice for various projects. Whether you're interested in web development, data analysis, machine learning, or automation, Python has something for everyone. Thank you all for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck on your Python programming journey. Happy coding!